In recent years, China has made enormous strides in the field of robotics and artificial intelligence. What once seemed like science fiction is quickly becoming a reality. But among the many technological advancements China is spearheading, one project stands out: the creation of an army of the most advanced humanoid robots the world has ever seen. These robots could revolutionize everything from defense and manufacturing to healthcare and disaster response. But what exactly is China's vision for these machines, and how far along are they in bringing it to life? Humanoid robots are not new. We've seen them in movies and sci-fi literature for decades. However, advancements in artificial intelligence, robotics, and material science have allowed China to turn these once imagined machines into tangible, functional creations. At the heart of this ambitious project is China's state-backed push to lead the world in AI and robotics. By 2035, humanoid robots are uniquely designed to resemble humans, not just for appearance, but to mimic human movement and decision-making. This means they can adapt to many of the tasks that require human-like interaction. China's research institutes, universities, and private companies are all involved in this high-tech race. Chinese tech giants like Xiaomi and Baidu are funding cutting-edge humanoid robotics programs. In fact, the Chinese government has poured billions of dollars into AI and robotics development, recognizing that humanoid robots can play a crucial role in future industries, including defense, healthcare, and even entertainment. One of the most ambitious aspects of China's humanoid robot program is its military application. These robots aren't just designed for civilian tasks. They could eventually be used in combat scenarios, replacing human soldiers in some high-risk situations. While humanoid robots are still far from being fully autonomous weapons, China's military is already experimenting with robots for logistics, surveillance, and rescue missions. China has focused on developing robots that can operate in extreme environments such as those encountered in battlefields or disaster zones. These robots are designed to be self-sufficient with AI capabilities that allow them to think and act independently, offering the Chinese military an edge in future conflicts. In fact, some of the more advanced robots are already capable of carrying heavy loads, navigating difficult terrains, and even performing basic combat operations. As China modernizes its military, humanoid robots could become an integral part of its strategy, taking on tasks that are too dangerous or tedious for human soldiers. But China's interest in humanoid robots extends far beyond military applications. These robots are also being designed to assist in a wide array of civilian industries. One of the most obvious uses is in manufacturing, where robots can perform repetitive tasks like assembly, packaging, and quality control. The benefit is clear: humanoid robots can work tirelessly and with precision, reducing labor costs and improving efficiency. Humanoid robots are more versatile than traditional industrial robots. They can handle complex tasks in a dynamic environment, interact with humans, and even make decisions based on real-time data. In healthcare, humanoid robots are already being deployed as assistants to doctors and nurses. These robots can monitor patients, deliver medicine, and provide companionship to those who are isolated. They're also being used in the field of elder care, helping to support China's aging population. With a rapidly aging society, humanoid robots could become a critical solution to labor shortages in the healthcare industry. While the technological advancements are impressive, the rise of humanoid robots brings up significant ethical and societal questions. With artificial intelligence rapidly advancing, these robots are becoming increasingly capable of interacting with humans in complex ways. They can read emotions, hold conversations, and even make decisions based on learned behaviors. The question becomes, how much autonomy should these robots have, and what safeguards are necessary to prevent them from making harmful decisions? As China moves toward creating more advanced robots, these questions are becoming more urgent. The Chinese government is keenly aware of these issues. Experts within China's AI industry are working on creating ethical guidelines for robot development. However, critics argue that the focus on speed and innovation sometimes outweighs ethical considerations. With their growing military and industrial applications, questions about surveillance, privacy, and control are bound to become more prominent in the coming years. As China continues to push the boundaries of humanoid robotics, the possibilities seem endless. By 2035, China aims to have the world's most advanced robotics industry, and humanoid robots will play a crucial part in shaping the future. Whether they're performing military operations, assisting in healthcare, or becoming integral parts of everyday life, these robots are poised to change the world. In the next decade, we could see humanoid robots integrated into every aspect of our lives. China is leading the charge, but other countries are watching closely. The competition to develop the most advanced humanoid robots could define the global technological landscape for years to come. In China's quest to create an army of the most advanced humanoid robots, the line between human and machine is becoming ever more blurred. As the nation advances toward its goal, it may very well reshape the future of technology and the role robots will play in our world. As we look to the future, one thing is certain: China's ambition to create a world where humanoid robots are everywhere is well underway. The question now is not if these robots will become a part of our lives, but how they will reshape the world as we know it.